Dear children, this is Mentors English Express and I'm Sudha Oberoi. In my previous video of formal letter writing part 1, I had explained the students of classes 10th and 11th how to write letters making inquiries in easy steps. In this formal letter writing part 2, I am going to explain the students how to write letters placing orders. Watch the complete video and become confident in writing skill. This video is going to help you fetch full marks in your board exams. In this series of business or official letters, let us understand how to write letters placing orders. Children, in these high-tech times of speed and fast life, people do not have time to shop. This has brought in the concept of home shopping, placing orders by mail order, catalogs, phones, or letters. If you remember the points given below, it will be easy for you to write letters placing orders. You should keep in your mind that these letters are written when an individual or an organization needs to place an order with another business organization. These letters refer to the inquiry done based on which an order is placed. Now children, when we do the bulk purchase, we make an inquiry from the shops. If we are a regular customer, we make an inquiry through telephone. So it is called telephonic conversation. Otherwise, we visit the shop and big companies invite tenders. So generally, while writing the letters, we refer to telephonic conversation. The order should mention the details specifying the number, types, brands, date of delivery, payment modes and conditions. So in your letter, you should specifically write the amount you need, the quantity you need, their brand, date of delivery, other conditions and payment modes. So if you will remember these steps and follow them, you will get full marks in your board exams. Let us understand it through an example. Here is sample 1. You are Akriti Arun, hostel warden, BBL School, Bareilly. Write a letter to the sales manager, Bharat Electronics Limited, Bareilly, placing an order for a few fans, microwave ovens, geysers, refrigerator, etc. you wish to purchase for the hostel. Ask for the discount permissible on the purchase. So children, as I've been telling you that we first write the sender's address. Here the BBL School Bareilly is placing an order. Then leaving a line, we write the date and then we write the receiver's address. Then salutation and then subject is written. Here the subject is reference to telephonic conversation 2 days ago with you regarding purchase of electronic items. I told you we make reference to the conversation. So here we have mentioned it in subject. Now we write the body of the letter. Our school management has decided to place an order for bulk purchase of electronic items for our hostel, the list of which is given below with you. The 10% discount offered by you has been accepted by us. We expect to receive the consignment within a fortnight. So in the first passage, we have written 3 sentences, and the first sentence says that the management has decided to place an order of the electronic items with the company. Then in the second sentence, we have agreed to the discount offered by them. And in the third sentence, we have given the time limit to them. In the next paragraph, we have written other conditions. I am sure proper packing of the items will be well taken care of and responsibility of any damage caused during transportation shall rest with you. This is very, very important to mention because sometimes the goods get damaged during transportation. And when they get damaged, we return them. So responsibility is of the sender. Then kindly send guarantee warranty cards along with an electrician to install the devices. I hope the future repairs and maintenance of the devices will also be provided by you promptly and satisfactorily. So If we need guarantee and warranty cards, we should mention. If we do not need, we should omit this sentence. And if we are asking for electric devices, gadgets, we should ask for electrician also to install them. Then in the last paragraph we have written, payment shall be made through a crossed check within a month of receiving and checking the devices. Then below it we have to make the list. And in the list, as I told you, name of the item, brand and quantity should be clearly mentioned. Here we have mentioned all these three things very clearly. So we require ceiling fans, brand is Usha, and we require 10 in number. Microwave, brand is LG, and we require 2 in number. Geysers, Havels, and we require 10 in number. Refrigerator 165 liters, brand is Whirlpool, and we require 2 in number. So it should be very clear, the quantity and brand. Then you have to write thanking you in anticipation, and then you have to put your signature below. Let us see another sample. Manvi Menon, the principal of Tiny Tots Playway School, receives a pamphlet of a new showroom of school furniture, swings and slides opened in their area. She decides to place an order for furniture and swings etc. for nursery section. Write a letter placing order for the same to the proprietor, Malhotra Iron Craft Brigade, Bengaluru. Mentions certain safety measures which should be considered while manufacturing the items. See, as I told you, the sender's address is written on top, and here the sender is Principal Tiny Tots Playway School. Then leaving a line, date is written, and then below receiver's address is given. So whenever we buy things like stationery or furniture, we do not have directors over there, we have the proprietor. So we have mentioned the proprietor, Malhotra Iron Crafts, Bengaluru. Then below its salutation is there, and then subject is mentioned. And in the subject, as I told you, we have given reference of the telephonic conversation with you regarding bulk purchase of furniture for nursery section. Now once again let us see the body of the letter. Our school management has decided to place an order for bulk purchase of furniture for a nursery section, the list of which is given below with you. The 12% discount offered by you has been accepted by us. We expect to receive the consignment within a month. So as usual, we have written 3 sentences. In the first sentence, the management has agreed, and in the second sentence, we have agreed the 12% discount by them, and in the third sentence, we have given them the time limit. The furniture and swings and slides should be durable, attractive, and made of high quality steel. Its edges should be smooth and nails properly fixed. It should be comfortable for the students. So these are the points which you should keep in mind while preparing the furniture. It should be durable, attractive, and made of high quality steel, smooth, nails must be properly fixed, and it must be comfortable for the students. Then see last paragraph. I am sure packing of the furniture and swings and slides will be taken care of, and responsibility of any damage during transportation shall rest with you. Now in this letter we have not written warranty and guarantee cards because furniture like chairs, swings and slides do not have guarantee or warranty etc. So instead of electrician, we have requested kindly send a technician along with to install the swings and slides. Payment shall be made through a crossed check within a fortnight of receiving the consignment. Then we have made the list. As I told you, name of the items, brand and quantity. We require chairs, Godrej brand and 40 in number. Tables again of Godrej brand, 40 in number. Slides also of Godrej brand, 2 in number. Swings also of Godrej brand, 2 in number. And then we have mentioned thank you, and then you have put your signature. So children, I hope now letters of placing orders are very clear to you. Here I have 2 questions for you to practice. You must practice them, and practice makes a man perfect. So you will also become confident. If you follow these steps faithfully in your exams, you are going to get full marks in your board exams. For answers, you can download the PDF containing them from my Facebook page, the link of which is given in the description box below. In my next video, I'm going to explain letters of complaint. Children, if you have enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe it. You may also post your comments in the comments box below. Thank you.